Ever had one of those days where everything feels overwhelming? Stick around as we unveil gadgets that are satisfying to watch and designed to melt your stress away. Before we start, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Number 1. Cube Spinner. Feeling as jittery as Melman, the giraffe from the Madagascar movie? You and your friend could benefit from the in-one Cube Spinner. Not only is it a great way to alleviate anxiety, but it's also a fantastic tool for killing time, enhancing focus, and boosting concentration. Crafted from top-notch metallic materials, this spinner is designed for extended spin sessions and is resilient against accidental drops or impacts. Simply grip the spinner in one hand and give it a whirl using swift, consistent taps from your other hand. It's an ideal plaything for both the young and the young at heart. Number 2. Relaxing magnetic balls. Looking for a delightful escape from the daily grind at the office? Discover the ultimate relaxation tool in these 512 meticulously designed miniature specs magnets. They're not just a way to unwind, but a creative outlet to channel your pent-up energy. What's possible with them? Everything. You can construct, shape, design, and create infinite forms in pleasing structures. And when you're done, break them down and start again. Your set has a carrying case, a foundation for your magnetic creations, a starter guide, though who needs one for such brilliance, and a nifty splitter card for the pros. Immerse yourself in tranquility, unleash your creativity, and lose yourself in the mesmerizing hues. Number 3. Euler's Disc. Discover the magic of desktop illusions with the holographic Euler's Disc. Spin it on the mirror and watch as it seems to accelerate, emitting a rhythmic hum that grows louder with its speed. This mesmerizing disc appears to spin eternally, converting gravitational potential energy into kinetic energy in a hypnotic physics dance. Crafted from chrome-plated steel and measuring 3 inches in diameter, the patented disc offers a spellbinding display of light and sound. Enhance the experience in a dark room with a flashlight or laser, and let the magnetic holographic film add to the allure. It's more than a toy, it's a captivating experience. Will you be the one to own it? Number 4. UFO Tops. Witnessing a top spin for nearly 2 minutes is a mesmerizing experience, almost as if it's defying gravity. Introducing the UFO Tops, the pioneering splash-anodized metal spinners. Designed to resemble the iconic UFO shape, they echo the descriptions from countless eyewitnesses who claim to have spotted flying saucers. The anodizing process transforms the metal surface into a decorative, robust, and corrosion-resistant finish. This layer is even tougher than the underlying aluminum, ensuring your spinner remains protected against wear and tear. Along with the top, you'll receive store cards detailing real UFO sightings and a handy microfiber pouch for safekeeping. Ready to own your very own UFO? Number 5. Infinity Rolling Ball. This isn't just a table toy, it's a captivating piece of art. Crafted meticulously by hand by a dedicated artisan, it combines the elegance of copper wire intertwined with pine blocks. The movement of the steel ball is facilitated by an elevator triggered by the ball's weight. This elevator is driven by a straightforward mini motor powered by a AA battery. Despite its intricate design, the toy is lightweight, tipping the scales at just 9.5 ounces. This masterpiece is merely a glimpse into the artisan's vast array of creations. Number 6. Metal Flip-Over Top Tippy Top. Prepare to be charmed by this delightful creation. Introducing our sleek and polished solid metal flip-over top, a minimalistic marvel just 1 inch in diameter. With its chrome-like finish and precise machining, it's a great visual treat. Give it a spin, and you'll be captivated as it suddenly flips over, continuing to spin upside down. This intriguing toy, the Tippy Top, has a rich history. It was invented in 1950 by Danish engineer Werner Osberg during his travels in South America. Inspired by local people playing with a small round fruit that would invert and spin on its stalk, he decided to craft a similar toy. The result is this enchanting little spinner that's sure to capture your heart. Number 7. Nextube. Returning to the world of captivating gadgets, we present a table clock from the Chinese brand Rotrix that's sure to intrigue. Utilizing Nixie tubes to showcase the time, this clock exudes a remarkable steampunk aesthetic. Named Nextube, it's more than just a timepiece. It's a striking decorative element that can enhance any room's ambiance. And the best part, this eye-catching piece can be yours for just $150. Number 8. Vortex Dome. Introducing the Vortex Dome, your desk's new mesmerizing companion. Inside this stunning glass dome lies a captivating vortex, ready to spring to life with a simple spin. Thanks to precision ball bearings at its base, the spinning mechanism is smooth and effortless. The dome's special arthroscopic fluid, infused with fine mica powder, allows you to witness the intricate movements of natural phenomena like weather patterns and galactic vortices. A small metallic spring, drawn by magnets, serves as a cleaning tool for the inside of the dome. This exquisite gadget is more than just a distraction. It's a way to center your thoughts. Number 9. Thumby. You are looking at what might be the tiniest gaming device in the world. Despite its thumb-sized dimensions, this little marvel boasts an OLED screen and several buttons, packing a punch with 5 classic retro games. But that's not all. The manufacturer has designed it with user-friendly programming in mind. You can craft your unique games using MicroPython. Plus, it's multiplayer compatible, allowing you to challenge friends. All these features come at an attractive starting price of just $19. Number 10. DeepLight 12. Tired of ordinary lamps? Consider elevating your space with this extraordinary light fixture, though it comes with a price tag of $5,000. What you receive in return is a mesmerizing centerpiece that will captivate your gaze for hours on end. Crafted from anodized aluminum, the body of this artistic piece encases a 12-sided frame. Within this frame, mirrors are strategically positioned to conjure an illusion of infinite geometry and color, a visual abyss that draws you in. To ensure you remain endlessly fascinated, the manufacturer has incorporated a range of lighting modes to suit your mood. Number 11. Wind-powered spinning top. Experience the pinnacle of stress relief toys. Crafted to resemble the heart of a storm, this spinning top whirls with the same intensity. Made from a vibrant blend of stainless steel alloy infused with a spectrum of colors, its beauty is truly captivating. With a suitable surface and a bit of practice, this top can maintain its spin for an impressive 5 minutes, all thanks to its precision tip. The magnetic base ensures it remains in position while spinning. But its most enchanting feature? Its regenerative power. Give it a whirl, and then blow on it to rejuvenate its spin, potentially keeping it in motion indefinitely, or at least until you're out of breath. Surrender to its hypnotic rotations, and watch as it whirls your stress away. Number 12. SLIZER. Wrapping up today's showcase, we present a compact, stress relief toy, reminiscent of the famed fidget spinners from yesteryears. Yet, SLIZER offers a fresh twist in its design, comprising a circular magnet nestled between 2 plastic panels. An additional magnet on its exterior interacts with the inner one. When aligned, this magnetic duo connects, setting the device into a soothing spin. The creators of SLIZER assert that it's more than just a toy. It's a tool designed to promote relaxation, sharpen concentration, and curb habitual nervous behaviors like perpetual foot tapping or nail biting. Dive into tranquility for a starting price of just $15. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you want more from the tech world. We will see you in the next one. Until then, click on the screen to watch more from the tech world.